we're going to have 2 more demonstrations today. The next will be the 1919 machine gun, an M1919. Does anybody have any idea why it would be called a 1919?
Made in 1919.
What's that?
Made in 1919.
You are correct, sir. That is it. The Army didn't have a lot of imagination, so many things, like for instance, the jacket might be called an M41. Why? Came out in 1941. Or the M43 jacket. Can we guess what year that came out?
43.
You guys are good. You've been paying attention. Thank you. So the M1919 had an effective range of 1,500 yards. It was recoil operated with a muzzle velocity, I couldn't begin to guess this, 2,800 feet per second. They came out in, this model is known as the A4, so while 1919 is the original model, this was slightly different and came out in 1936. It weighs 31 pounds, has a 24-inch barrel, and it is a 30-06 spring-filled round, and they're in 250-round cloths that would disintegrate. Now, the machine gun can be used both in a fixed or flexible mount by infantry and on vehicles. So if you gentlemen are ready, you can set up and show how this is going to happen. So one guy's got the gun, another man's got the tripod and the ammo. They're putting it together as quickly as they can. He's loading. Good. Ready to fire. They can move, an effective weapon is quick charges. You would not want it to come this way.
Cease fire! Unload that gun.
So, effective and portable, and easily they're ready to go to their next position and move up. Not entirely historically accurate because it would usually be the littlest guy who had to carry the heaviest piece. So. Colonel Halloran, is that about right? Thank you all for your